How to turn off USB storage in WhatsApp. So first things first, if you go ahead and head straight into the WhatsApp application, there's no actual option or an immediate button that we just have to click on that and it will automatically just turn off your USB storage. So what are we going to do is just to head straight into your home page and then just simply tap and hold your WhatsApp application and then head straight into the icon or the information icon. You will now then have access manually to its permissions and storages. So for you to be able to turn off the USB storage is just go into app permissions and then here you can choose to turn off either photos and videos and music and audio or any information that you can turn off from here. So go into photos and videos and just simply hit on don't allow as well as in music and audio permission. Now take note, once everything is turned off, you won't be able to download anything that was being sent using your WhatsApp application to any of your friends. To do so, just have to do is just to simply allow these settings right here again to download. So those are the things that you can do for you to be able to turn off USB storage in WhatsApp.